Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a haul for you, but it's going to be a different kind of haul. Today we are going to talk about dishware. Now this year my family decided to do a progressive dinner for Christmas. Now if you aren't familiar with that, that is where you go to each person's house for a different course of the meal. So say one house will have the salad, one will have the soup, one will have your main dish, dessert, so on. I have desserts this year. So I wanted to get nice dishware, but on a budget. So where did I decide to go? Dollar Tree, guys. Now you may think I don't really want to do that if I'm entertaining or having a party, but let me show you what I got and I think you might change your mind. So first up, I have these clear plastic trays or platters, and the dots were not on them, they were just the clear plastic. But my sister has a vinyl machine, so she was able to cut out some circles and put on there. She also did the shirt that I'm wearing today. I will insert a picture of that here for you to see. It is Christmas and totally cute. Now these guys, for $1, you can put whatever you're gonna put on there, whatever your food is. Now it doesn't say about hot or cold, but again, I have desserts, so for me this platter or this tray will do fine. Next up, you want to have plates for your guests to eat off of, and you don't necessarily want to do paper plates unless it's kids. The kids will be eating off of paper plates, sorry. But for everyone else, I went and got these kind of ceramic style plates. These are square. Now in store you can sometimes find these, but I actually ordered them by the box off of the website and had them delivered to the store. They're just clean, slick, they look nice, and again, just $1 a piece. So I don't mind necessarily if for some reason one of these gets broken. I won't be totally heartbroken, but it is something that's going to look great, and I can feel that my guests are eating off of something that's not just a paper plate. Lastly, for this, I have these clear mugs. Now the plates have mugs that go with them, but I wasn't really feeling those too much. I definitely prefer this clear glass mug. These right now I plan to do hot apple cider in these, and again, just $1. You can buy them in the store single. I believe the website you can buy them by the case as well. But for these, I just went in the store and I was able to find enough on the shelf. And yes, I probably wiped them out for that day. But I think these are the cutest little mugs. If you want, you could even let your guests take these home as like a party souvenir, but we'll see. So that's my Dollar Tree dishware haul, guys. Let me know, have you ever tried any of these? Have you tried something else? Do you prefer something else from the Dollar Tree or another low price store? Just let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.